Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace Commerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in squarespace.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. On the top right corner of the page, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Squarespace account. Next, enter your password in the field provided. If you want to save your login information, check the box for Remember Me. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Login button. If you have entered the correct information, you will be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. If you forget your password, click on Forgot Password below the password field. Enter your email address again to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password, then click Login. You should now be logged into Squarespace Commerce. From here, you can manage your online store, products, and settings. That concludes the login process for Squarespace Commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.